Minsan ang buhay sadya pa itong makulay. Mayroong saya, may lungkot din itong dala.
Ang forever daw para yung war. Mahaba, matagal, masakit, full of little battles.
Katulad na lang po tita nung nag-break po kami ni George. Maaring natalo ko kami, but we emerged victorious kasi we became better people. Tama ba, George?
Yes. Because in order to win a war,
You have to stay together. You don't win a war by fighting each other. You win by fighting together. But in the first place, there should be no war to win. Only a journey to go through. Mas madali kasing umayaw pag masakit na. Bumitaw pag pagod na. Pero ang totoo, ang kailangan nyo lang, patience. If you only held on, matututunan nyo pa rin ang mga yan. Mag-grow pa rin kayo together. Oh, look at my plants. Some plants, they need space to grow. And some, they grow better together.
Ang yakap mo, hanap ko sa tuwina. Ako'y nagtataka, naiiba ang aking nadarama. Buhay ko'y nagkagulo, wala nang ika'y iwanan ko.
naghiwalay tayo pero nakasama mo yung pamilya mo. Tapos naalagaan mo pa yung papa mo.
Sa pag-ibig mo at nang
But I lost you.
But we became better persons, didn't we?
George, I may not have found the reason to stay, but I found the reason to come back.
Muling pagtibok ng puso mo at di na